Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 sync settings grayed out and not available. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand policies. Click and expand system. Right-click New DWORD 32-bit value. Type no connected user, N, C, and U are capital letters. Change value data to 0. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. Send method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click computer configuration. Click and expand administrative templates. Click and expand Windows components. Click sync your settings. Open do not sync. Check enabled. Check allow users to turn syncing on. Click apply, OK. Close and exit group policy editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.